UiPath experts, welcome to the UiPath.learner channel. Thank you very much for subscribing my channel. Let us see today the new concept called my computer. Yeah, it's my computer. Let us click on that. This is a UiPath app. It is a my computer. So let us see. So this is the app, my app. Just click on the this computer button. So once I click on the computer button, so what are the folders I have in my system? So you see here. Let us see parallelly this whole thing. So okay, this is my computer. All the drives came here. Got it? This is a web app. You can access from the any place. Okay, so let's go to the E drive, and here also go to the E drive. This will show the all the folders of this E drive. Okay, so that you can access your computer from anywhere. See here, Academy, AI Fabric, these things and all that. Let's go to the Academy and go to the Academy here. So these are all the, so it will list out. It's like a, it will act like a exactly how we are operating the file explorer in our computer in the same way. The interesting thing here is you can access your computer from the your mobile also. Okay, so here all the three files, it's zip files, it's open. So now I'm just trying to create a new folder. Okay, UiPath is a new folder into where? So the selected folder. So whatever the folder we open, the E drive Academy. So in that, so I'm going to create a new folder. Let us see so whether it will create a new folder or not. So see here, so UiPath folder is created. Awesome. Okay, so let's create one more folder here. Let us create one more folder. Sudhir. Okay, so from where we are creating the folders? We are creating the folders from the UiPath app. It is a web application, totally web application. Okay, so but we are accessing the system totally our computer. Okay, so this is how we can access the whole things. So it's a UiPath app, my computer app, right? So you can access your computer from anywhere. Okay, see here, of drive anywhere. Even you can access this your computer from the mobile and create a folders, move the folders. So a lot of things. This see here my pictures. So the pictures is there. Just open this with the pictures. All the pictures. So all the pictures and folders came. So let's. It will display here. Okay. Thank you very much. So how I did this one, I will show you in detail in the next video. Thank you very much. Please share my videos. Okay, keep on watching my videos. So please click on the bell icon. See here, both are matching. Sync. This is called sync. Thank you.